Namaste students, welcome to RHchemistry. So in this video I am going to explain about list of all BAMS colleges, BHMS colleges and BUMS Unani colleges priority order by RH. Once again priority order by RH means Raghavendra Hegde. ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ priority order according to remember GM NEET marks. ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ I have arranged this according to GM NEET marks. Right? NEET marks of what? 2019. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದು ಈ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನೀಟ್ 2019 ಸ್ಕೋರ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವೇ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ MBBS 51 ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್, ರೈಟ್, ಡೆಂಟಲ್ 38 ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ BHMS. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಎರಡನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Right. So out of this BMS colleges, remember there are 39 colleges are there. Say in that only 4 are government colleges. Only 4 government and plus remember around 35 are private colleges, which means total it is 39 colleges in Karnataka. That too number may vary this year because some more college may add, may not add. This I have taken from the KEA website. KEA website, remember that. Right? Now you can see first one, very good, highest category priority, Government Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore. So Government Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore I have taken at the first place. Remember that. Second one, STM College of Ayurvedic and Ayurveda and Hospital, that is Hassan. So that is second priority. Then Government Ayurvedic Medical College, Mysore. Then fourth one, once again Government Ayurvedic Medical College, Shumaga, which means out of the 4, 3 are government. Then SDM Ayurvedic Medical College, Udupi. Sixth one, Sanjeevani Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Hubballi. Seventh one, JSS Ayurvedic Medical College, Mysore. Eighth one is a 4th government college actually. 1, 2, 3, 4th government college, that is Taranatha Government Ayurvedic Medical College, Bellary. In the ninth place, Kalabhaireshwara Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore. HKDETS Rajarajeshwari Ayurvedic Medical College, it is there in Bidar, that is at the 10th place. Then 11th one, Ayurvedic Medical College, Dharwad. 12th one, Sri SDM Institute of Ayurvedic Hospital, Bangalore. And 13th one, Muniyal Institute of Ayurvedic Medical Science, Udupi. And 14th one, Shivagogishwara Rural Ayurvedic Medical College, Belgaum. 15th, Alvas Ayurvedic Medical College, Mudubidri, Dakshina Kannada. Then 16th, Ashwini Ayurvedic Medical College, Davangere. Then 17th, Basaveshwara Vidyavardhaka Sangha Ayurvedic Medical College, Bagalkot. 18th, NA Mugdum Ayurvedic Medical College, Belgaum. 19th, Sushruta Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore. And the 20th one, Dr. BNM Rural Ayurvedic Medical College, Bijapur. Then 21st place, you can take the screenshot if you want, remember. So 21st place, Sri Guttal Ayurvedic Medical College, Dharwad. Sri Tapovan Ayurvedic Medical College, Hospital and Davangere, that is 22nd place. 23rd, Gavisideshwara Ayurvedic Medical College, Koppal. 24th, SDM Trust Ayurvedic Medical College, Terdal. 25th, Sri College of Ayurvedic Science and Research Center, Bangalore. And Rajiv Gandhi Ayurvedic Medical College is at 26th place. 27th, Adi Chunchanagiri Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore. And 28th, TMAE Ayurvedic Medical College, Bellary. 29th, Karnataka Ayurvedic Medical College, Mangalore. 30th place, Latte Education Society's Acharya Deshbhushan Ayurvedic College, Belgaum. Then 31st place, Athreya Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore Rural. Bahubali is at the 32nd place, that is in the Bagalkot. And 33rd place, Sri Vijay Mahantesh Ayurvedic Medical College, Bagalkot. 34th place, Paripurna Sanathana Ayurvedic Medical College, Bangalore. And 35th place, Siddhivinayaka Rural Ayurvedic Medical College, Raibag, that is at the Belgaum city, Belgaum district. Yes, 36th one, Sharada Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Yadgiri. 37th, Karavali Ayurvedic Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Mangalore. And 38th, Krishna Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Belgaum. And the last place I kept, and it is depending on, as I told, GM category, remember, Sri Kalidas Ayurvedic Medical College, Bagalkot, that is Badami. This is BAMS priority order. Then next we will say in this particular case, next homeopathic medical college, list of homeopathic medical college priority order by RH. Once again same criteria I have used. That is the first one, Government Homeopathic Medical College, Bangalore. Second one, this is the only medical college, Bangalore, the whole government college, remember, in Karnataka. BHMS is having only one government homeopathic medical college, that is in Bangalore. Second one, Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College, Mangalore. Third one, HKE Society's Homeopathic Medical College, Gulbarga. Fourth one, Arvaz Homeopathic Medical College, Dakshin Kannada. Fifth one is Bharatesh Homeopathic Medical College, Belgaum. It should be sixth one, remember, six it should be. Sixth one, Bhagwan Buddha Homeopathic Medical College, Bangalore. Seventh one, Rosie Royal Homeopathic Medical College, Bangalore. Eighth one, Dr. B.D. Jati Homeopathic Medical College, Dharwad. Ninth one, A.M. Sheikh Homeopathic Medical College, Belgaum. And 10th one, Sri Satya Sai College of Homeopathic Medical Science, Dharwad. And the last one is S.B. Shirkoli Homeopathy Medical College, Belgaum. So these are the 11 medical colleges that are present. Last year seat allotted according to KEA. So it may be more or less than this, but KEA has allotted these many colleges seats. Hence I have taken from KEA website directly. Then finally, list of all BUMS colleges priority order by RH. Only 3 BUNS, which means Unani medical colleges, are present in Karnataka. That is, only one is government medical college, that is Government Unani Medical College, which is there in Bangalore. And the second one, HMS Society's Unani Medical College, Tumkur, second place. And the third one is Lukman Unani Medical College, Bijapur. These are the only 3 Unani Medical Colleges present in the Karnataka. Remember that. So these are the order by RH. Till now, I have finished all MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS and BUMS colleges priority order. And next my target is, before KCET engineering counseling, all the KCET engineering counseling, before the counseling I will make a list like this depending on the last year ranks from top to bottom for all courses I will try to do. Yes, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.